Back to the Kashyap Tech IT Brothers. So this is a part 24 of the SSIS tutorial. So in this we will be going to be cover uh, creating some sample SSIS package. Then we will use the audit transformation and adding some auditing by using the merge and sort transformation. So auditing, what is auditing? Basically the audit transformation enable the data flow in a package to include data about the environment in which the package run. Like for example, the name of the package, computer and operator can be added to the data flow. Okay, so Microsoft SQL Server integration service includes system variable that provide the information about the package. Okay, so let's start with the practical, like a practice, and see how it's work. So first of all, let's create one project by clicking on integration service project. Next, then provide the meaningful name of this project, audit, then click on the create. Okay, you can see the package has been, solution has been created in package as well. So rename and give the meaningful name. Yep. So first of all, we have to take one data flow task to perform the transformation. So we are now in data flow panel. Now let's take source, some source. Like we are going to use merge and sort. So basically we require the merge as well for this connection. Okay, so the let's select the table from where we will going to be fetch the data. So right now I will fetch the data from the two table, test1 and test2, to merge those data into one destination. So I will take one more data source, that will be the table is employee test2 from the database, that is this one. Okay, now we are going to use the merge. So basically before using the merge we required the data sorting. So while using the merge, first we require data need to be sorted, then only merge will merge the data from the source. Okay, so take the source, sort for the both the table, for both the source, and combine it. So before, okay, let's combine it. Okay, now we wanted some auditing as well. Now because in this table, if you see, sorting will be done on the basis of business entity ID only. Okay, but we require some auditing as well, correct? So what we will do, we'll take audit transformation from other section. So let's take it to audit. From the audit will be here. Okay, and then our audit will go to join in a sort. Okay, so let's connect, disconnect, join it, then audit one will join it here. Okay, now click on sort and see if the data is coming or not from here. Okay, so we haven't added any column in audit components. Okay, so double click on the audit and you can see there is a multiple types of options as available, which can be add and capture the data of the package, like execute instance, GUI ID, package ID, package name. So let's take it the package name, then machine name, then execution start time. Okay, so same column we need to set here as well, because we are using the sorting and we are merging the data. Okay, so package name, machine name, and execution start time. Okay, so let's sort this data, and if it's yeah, so we have to click on the pass through, then only the data will get uh, imported into destination in merge. Okay, so same we have to do here as well. Okay, now our data is sorted perfectly by adding some auditing column as well in that. So let's join it to merge. It will ask for input 1 and then input 2. Okay, so configure. Now we will use derive column for the testing purpose in destination. You can use any other destination as well, OLED, Excel, anything. Okay, so I will make enable here data viewer to see data is coming properly or not. Enable data viewer, and as also I will enable here data viewer to see what type of data and what data is coming from the both the source, and after auditing done, how data is coming, it's there new column added or not. Okay, so let's see. By running the package, our package setup has been configured properly now. So let's run it. Okay, so okay, you can see yeah, this is the two data viewer we have enabled, from OLEDB source to audit and OLEDB source 1 to audit 2. Okay, so 290 rows and 290 rows, both the rows are coming here, and you can see the now column is till job title and material status. Okay, not material status, it will be many more. If you see, that is row GUI ID. Okay, in the both data where we are getting right now only the column which have the data at source level. So let's cancel it and see what data will become after auditing. So auditing has been done. Now data has come to the sorting. Now if you see audit output for the one, the column you will see was added. You can see here the package name and machine name and execution time. It has been added in both the audit. Okay, now it was sorted the data by sort transformation, and now the data come to the merge by 290 rows from first side and 290 rows from second side. You will get the total data is 580. If you see, the column has been added here as well, package name, machine name and execution time. Okay, so this is the so by using audit we can use multiple things like enable the data flow in a package to include the data about the environment in which the package run. So you can capture the data like package name, execution time, how many time package has been executed, and you can add the expression as well, like you can use the expression for the auditing purpose as well. Okay, so please let me know if you have any doubt, any feedback about this tutorial, and please share, subscribe and like. Thank you so much.